Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to round numbers. To round numbers you use the round function. So let's say the first value is 234.759. This is the round function. So you say is equal to round. In the first part of the function you would provide the number that needs to be rounded up, and the second part you mention which digit you want it rounded up to which digit. So here I have said 1. So when you round the number to the first digit you will get the value as 234.8. So the first digit after the decimal is 7. So now the deciding number is the one after that, which is 5. The 0.7 is rounded to 0.8. And the second number, so instead of 0.759 I have used 0.739. So after 7 I have 3, which is less than 5. So the 234.73 becomes 234.7. The next number, round up to the second digit. So in this case 234.739. So now the deciding number is 9. The 3 will become 4. So it changes to 234.74. The same function I'm using here, but this time instead of 739 I'm using 734. Since the last digit is 4, which is less than 5, it will get ignored and the answer will be 234.73. In the next example, I'm rounding it off to 0 digits, that is I want a whole number. So in this case, that since the 7 is greater than 5, it will round it up. So that 234.73 becomes 235. Now the same thing when I take the next example. Now the number is 234.4 will get rounded to 234. The next example, now I'm rounding the number to -1. So 234 will basically be rounded to the nearest 10. So the 234 will become 230. Now the same formula, if I try with 235.739, since it is 35, the last digit is 5, so the 35 will be rounded off to 40. It will become 240. Next, I'm using round and saying -2, rounded off to -2 digits. It will be rounded off to the nearest 100. So 234 when rounded to the nearest 100 will become 200. The same formula, now I'm using 254 instead of 234. Now 254 will be rounded off to 300. So this is how you round numbers using the round function in Excel. The round function works exactly how you would round numbers mathematically. So hope that was useful. Thanks for watching the video.